How to delete your Poshmark account. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you through the steps on how you can delete your Poshmark account, so just make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to delete your Poshmark account, you can head over to your browser, go to poshmark.com, and I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box as well. Once you go there, you want to make sure to just tap the profile icon from the very top right hand side, scroll down, look for this option called account settings, and then just tap on it. Once you look for this option called account settings, you're going to be taken to this page where you just need to scroll and then look for this option called manage account status, and then just tap on it. Once you go to this option called manage account status, right under it you'll find this button labeled as delete my account. You just want to make sure to tap on this option. Once you do that, it'll ask you to verify your email address, and once your email address has been verified, your account will get successfully deleted. And that's it for today's video on how you can delete your Poshmark account. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.